Begin by downloading the ArcGIS 123 app to your mobile device. Now, open your app and sign in using ArcGIS Online. The CMAP team have provided you with a unique username and password. You'll use these to sign into the app. Once you've signed in, it's time to download the survey. When you've finished downloading the CMAP survey, hit the back button to return to your My Surveys page. The CMAP survey is now downloaded to your phone, so there's no need for data service while you're in the field. Once you select the CMAP survey, you're ready to record your information. Just select the Collect button at the bottom of the page. Once the survey opens, select your organization from the drop-down menu. After that, you'll have to manually input the 8-digit code from your Jonah Ventures kit into the text box below. By default, the time of submission is entered for you. However, you can edit this if you need to insert a different time. To record your collection site, simply select the compass icon below Collection Site. The app has now recorded your latitude and longitude. You can double-check your location by zooming in on the map. You can also take photos of your site. This is not required, but helpful. You can take a maximum of 2 photos, up to 10 megabytes maximum. A couple of details I'd like to point out that you may not be familiar with are the swamp station code. If you do not have one, leave this blank. CMAP will create one for you. But our partners in regional offices and the California Department of Fish and Wildlife should have swamp station codes already assigned to them. Next is the site name. If you don't have one, this is the time to create one. For example, you would put in Corn Creek Site A or Corn Creek Site 1. Remember this name and use it consistently when sampling this site. I won't go into any further detail about the survey, as most of the drop-down menus you will encounter are fairly self-explanatory, and the CMAP team has provided you with written documentation that details each of the parameters. When you finish filling out the survey, select the check mark in the lower right-hand corner. You'll then be given the option to send now if you're within data range, continue the survey if you need to edit, or save in the outbox for when you get back to the office. The CMAP team would like to thank you for participating in the project and putting up with my cheesy narration. Happy sampling!